Hi everyone, welcome back. Sorry this has taken so long to upload this video and to make it. Just had a few things going on, but today we are going to complete our Lego building project. So yeah, let's get a move on. We are this far through, so we've got like the shape of the car, but today we will finish it. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so we're starting off with this piece here, and we're starting with little stickers again. And this is, where is it? One of these, and sticker number 6. Actually, this video might be sped up a little bit, possibly. Wait, no. So this is what we're starting with, and it goes on over here. Right, like that, and one on the other side. Oh God. So there, one on each side. Then we get one of, let's start with one of these. Little black piece, little red piece, there, and then this goes on like this, there. And then on top of this we get one of these little red bits, but obviously this is going to have a lot of stickers. That's come out pretty good. And then the tiny sticker number 12. Question is this going to be on both sides? Yeah, the same on both sides, so BRB. Let's just do this and we'll come back. Okay, so that's done. I put the shell sign on the other side to the picture because when I tried to put it on the side, the picture on the instruction had it came up upside down. So yeah, still looks fine like this, you know, as long as it's there. But yeah, what's next? This piece here, and you go. I'm missing a sticker. Okay, what sticker is that? I'm missing a sticker. I believe it's number 17. I'm gonna double check. Yep, number 17 was missing. Let's put number 17 on. Here we go, number 17 goes right at the front. Yes, number 17, the shell sign. And it's not gonna focus, there you go. And then this piece goes here, like this. Okay, then where are we? On the back, we put this on like this, I think. Wait. This over here like this, and then where is it? Where's what I'm looking for? The white one. Has to be the white one. There's no other one here. There's no grey one. In the picture it looks grey, but it's actually white. Wait. Okay. So this comes off if possible, and no, it's not gonna ever come off again. Got it off. And the white piece, this is what I mean about this instruction books, that piece looks grey but it's actually white in reality, and the book looks grey, like, come on. Okay, the white piece goes here on top of these, right, and then black piece goes here, and then we have this white piece and this white piece, I'm sure they must be the white pieces, go here and here next to each other, and then black piece here, and then where is it? I don't know if this piece is going to be black or a different colour. This one, yep, this black piece goes here, so that's like the back. Then we have, okay, this is getting dodgy now. You got, what am I looking for? Okay, this, I think, there's only one of them. Okay, there's only meant to be one. And this goes on here, and on the side you got to put a sticker on, obviously, on either side by the looks of it, so let's do that first. BRB, what's next? This one on top, and you go here like this. Yeah. Then number, what is this? This is this little white bit. Again, it looks grey in the book. Then we're putting on sticker number 8 and 10. Got it on pretty well. It's not a tiny little sticker. I swear I hate tiny stickers, it's the worst thing. Okay, so you're like this, and then you, wait, let me turn you around so I can get you straight. You're going to be on that side like that, so that's done. Okay, the next part is another sticker, but I think a big sticker. So yeah, we will do the next part as well. It's black or grey? It's black. Here they are, the black parts, 2 of them. And we're putting on sticker number 2 and 3. So yeah, let's do that and I'll come back after I've done. Okay, so here's sticker number 2 and 3, and they are going here on either side. You know, the best thing about this set is the symmetry on each side. It's very satisfying. Come on, have I got you on the right way? Yep, I have. Oh god. There. That's on each side. Then, oh, so this is basically the spoiler. Nice. Okay, so now we have this straight bit going over along here. Surprisingly, no sticker on this part. And then we have a white part, I think. This white part, right? No? Wrong? No, wrong. This white part, right? This white part. Yep, this white part with a sticker, obviously. Sticker number 4. Number 4. Quite a big one. Hopefully this is the right white part. If it's not, then the sticker is going to be... Nope, it's the right one. And there it is, the spoiler. Shell on the side and some other companies in Santander. Right there. Like, come on, why do we have all these stickers? Because, yeah, Santander, like, come on. Just print them on the bricks and charge me more for the set. It'd be so much easier. Okay, what's next? The front end. So we are starting with this and this. Like this. Where are people going? Okay. Like this. Yeah. So we're joining them up like this. I believe. With this. You're going to towards the front. So, yeah. Come on, there. So we're joining them up like that. Then we're getting so many stickers. Oh my god. Okay, you and you and you and you. So that's all the parts. And wait a second, there's another bit. This one as well. And this one. These two. Okay, so I'm going to put all the stickers on first and then come back and fix it. Okay, so this is where the first sticker goes, and these two pieces go like this. Then we have this little red piece which will go here. Then we got to put tiny Santander logos on here. 24 and 24. 24. So these are going to look kind of good because they're going to be right at the front, so has to be done properly. That's doable. That I can live with. There. And then these two go on either side of the red. I really don't care at this point if these stickers aren't straight. I just want to get this done. And then more stickers, 20 and 23, hopefully they're big ones. Where are you? More Santander branding. Stupid bank. So that's that. This is going to be the front end somehow. Okay, more building. Let's see, you want me to put this on top over here and one of these over here. Oh nice, we're getting the good stickers come up now. The Ferrari sticker, yes, that I can put on perfectly. That's there, and the Ferrari sticker goes on this piece here. Okay, this one I need to do properly. This is probably the most important sticker out of all of them. The rest are just pointless branding. Okay, well, how are you going to go on? How are you going to go? Okay, you're going to go on like that, so the sticker needs to be perfect. That works. Yeah, that works. There. How cool is that? Come on, focus. Yeah. Ferrari branding. And then, oh, okay, so now, oh wait, 1 second. We have this piece here, single piece, and you go, wrong thing, in here. Right? Right. And then it connects into here, right, properly, there, and look at that, that actually looks epic. Now we have a car, that looks amazing. Yeah, that looks epic. We actually have a car now, not with wheels, but still getting somewhere. Wheels, okay. So these are the wheels, but obviously when I started I just put them on. There needs to be more things on here. So we need to put one wheel on. Then you, right, nope. You go on. Right, you should go on somehow. There we go, go through, oh god. Go through right to the end, right, must be, yep, right to the end, and then you go on right to the end, and then and then put you through here, and then the other way round, because then you go on first on this side. And then you go on second. And then the wheel goes on. So that's the first set of wheels. And the same for the second. So you put the second ones on now. Okay, so I put the second set of wheels on, and that's all the 4 wheels, so it drives now. And yeah, that's pretty much all done, and there's nothing more to do. But I did, while the camera was off, make the platform it comes with. So give me 1 second, I'll set it up. And with this set, I've still got a few spare pieces left, so yeah, that's quite good, I guess. And stickers are all done, there's one left which isn't really important, so yeah, give me 1 second, I'm going to set it all up and show you. This is epic. So this is a little platform and the Ferrari control station slash start line. It's got a little keyboard there, the screen of the track. My phone decided to focus. Oh, focus is terrible in here. There we go, we've got some focus, but yeah, and around to the other side, and this dude is ready to go. So yeah, around to the other side, and this dude is ready to go. Check it out, the start line, back of the car, exhaust and everything. But yeah, it looks freaking awesome. 1 second. Ferrari signs everywhere. Focusing on something like this for my phone seems to be a nightmare. Get a better view of the car. Look at that, that looks epic. Anyway people, thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed this, and yeah, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I have more content coming up very soon. So yeah, I'll see you soon, thanks, bye.